In this video, we will learn about the history of HTML, how it evolved, and what is the current version of HTML. Why we are waiting then? Let's begin. Hi, I'm Sharma. First publicly available description of HTML document called HTML tags was first mentioned on internet by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. In 1995, November 24th, HTML 2.0 version was released. In 1997, 14th Jan, HTML 3.2 version was released. Later in that same year, December 18th, 1997, HTML 4.0 version was released. Adoption of HTML in earlier days was uneven. Browsers ignored almost all the HTML specifications and they implemented in their own way. After the HTML 4.0 version, the browsers were implied to follow HTML specifications. Support for this version was seen. W3C started moving HTML towards XML. As a result, XHTML was formed. XHTML is an application of XML. Motivation of W3C was to make HTML more extensible and to increase interoperability. HTML 4.0 appears to be application of SGML. SGML was complex. Neither web browsers nor HTML recommendation were fully similar to it. So, XML standards were approved to provide simpler data formats closer in simplicity to HTML4. A ninth draft of XHTML 2.0 was expected to appear in 2009, but on July 2nd, 2009, W3C decided to drop XHTML 2.0, halt all the further development. When W3C was busy in developing XHTML, a community of people interested in evolving HTML grouped together. They call themselves as WHATWorkingGroup. It means Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. They were formed because of slow development of World Wide Web W3C's web standards and decision of moving HTML towards XML. In April 2007, the W3C's new HTML working group adopts the WHATWorkingGroup's HTML5 as a starting point of their work. W3C and WHATWorkingGroup are currently working together to develop HTML5. Between HTML5 and HTML4, there are no much difference, but they introduced some clear rules about error handling, introduction of canvas element, drag and drop features, and more stress is given on semantics, properly structuring web content. In this video, we learned about history of HTML, how it evolved, and the current version of HTML. In the next video, we will learn about the basic structure of HTML. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.